Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to link Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. Integrating these two tools is very essential for data-driven insight. So make sure you stay along as I will be sharing some very important tips along the way, and let's jump right into it. As you can see here, I have both Google Analytics and Tag Manager opened up so that I can be able to create accounts on each one of them and also link them once I'm done with creating the account. If you have not created a Google Analytics account yet, you can go ahead onto analytics.google.com, and that is the website that you're going to be using to create your account. Once you're on the landing page, on the right top side of your screen, you can click on Go to Analytics to show you the step-by-step process of creating an account. However, I'm going to jump onto this page and start creating the account from scratch. First step would be to give your account a name, and you can click next to proceed to the next step, which would be creating a property. In the property section, you can give your property a name such as website analytics, since we're going to use this to be able to analyze our website. Once you've named your property, you can click next to proceed to the third step. Third step is going to be providing details and descriptions about your business. By clicking on the drop down right underneath industry category, you will be able to specify the business that you're working on and also your business size. Fourth step is going to be specifying your objective for the business. For this demonstration, we're going to select leads and sales and click create. The final step would be to confirm the data processing terms by clicking on the box that's provided and clicking I agree. You'll be able to finalize the process. Last but not least, however, you'll need to choose a platform that you're using and a platform that you would like to connect to this analytical page. If it's a website, you can go ahead and click website, and here you'll be required to enter the website URL. Once you've entered the necessary information, on the right top side of your screen, you can click on create and continue. And after a little while of processing, you'll be provided with a stream ID and measurement ID. These are very essential informations that we're going to use in order to link them, so make sure you copy and paste it in a safe place so that you would have ease of use. Next up would be to jump on Tag Manager to proceed to the next step. If you have not created a Tag Manager account yet, you can go ahead onto tagmanager.google.com, and it's a very straightforward step-by-step guide that you have on the website, so you can follow up with that and create your account. Once that's done, as you can see on the left side of your screen, you have your navigation panel. To get started with the linking process, you would need to create a new tag. By clicking on tags, you'd be able to preview any history regarding your tags, and if you'd like to create a new one as well, you can do that. By navigating to the right top side of your screen, you can click on New and initiate the process of creating that new tag. Here you'd be provided with a new pop-up dialog box from the right so that you'd be able to specify some details of that tag. First up would be to specify the tag type. Since we're going to be linking it with Google Analytics, we're going to select on Google Analytics and click on GA4. Once we've specified that, we'll be provided with a space to enter the measurement ID, which would be the one that we fetched from the Google Analytics account. By entering that ID, we can proceed. Furthermore, if you'd like to have some additional advanced settings, you can play around with the remaining drop-down arrows and adjust everything as you would want. Next up would be to add a trigger. By clicking on the following portion of your dialog box, you'd be able to do so. This ensures Analytics tracks every visit to your website. As you can see, you have the option to click on all pages and you're good to go. Don't forget to name your tag, as it would be more convenient for you to track your tags if you would have different ones for different purposes. And once that's finalized, you can click on save on the right top side of your screen, and that will have it finalized for you and the tag created on your tag manager. To be able to verify whether the link has been properly made or not, you can go ahead onto your Google Analytics dashboard, and on the left side of your screen, you can see the navigation panel. Here you can click on reports, and this is where you're going to be monitoring any report and any activity from your website. As you can see, you have further options to select from if you'd like to see the leads, sales, or also real-time overview, and you can click on each one of them and see the activities. To be able to verify the link, as mentioned earlier, you can view the website that you have integrated with your website analytics, and you would be able to see it reflected automatically on your Google website analytical data. And that's pretty much it. With that, you have successfully linked Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. This integration helps you track your website's performance more efficiently. And thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tutorials. See you on the next one.